1991 Geo Metro, as we call it, little Tweety bird. Little 3-cylinder, stick shift, 69,000 miles. Really clean, recently serviced. Everything works on this little gem. Brand new top on it, brand new tires on it. The only flaw in the car is the rear trunk lid shocks that don't let the trunk lid stay up. Other than that, this car is a little gem. If you're looking for a cute little beach cruiser, a little city car, here it is. It's perfect. I get roughly, 40, 50 miles to a gallon being a little 3-cylinder. And it's highway compatible, unlike most little cars of this nature. It will do 65 miles an hour going down the freeway. Produced by Chevy back in the day, actually through Suzuki as a joint venture. It really is a Suzuki. I'll walk you around this, and I don't know of any known flaws per se, other than, as I mentioned, the trunk lid on the back, the hood trunk shocks, excuse me. Bumpers are in great shape, no flaws. We'll do a quick video of it running and starting as well. '91 Geo Metro. Rare find.